Hello everyone, welcome back to the Genomics Bootcamp and to the video series about the most important and most useful R commands. This will be a short video how to change column names in R, especially with the dplyr R package in tidyverse. From time to time, you either not happy with a certain column name or for some reason you are required to change it. And to solve this issue, by far the most straightforward and quick solution is to use the rename function. It has also a small help file where you can find out that you have to use the syntax new name. So in this case, the new column name equal the old column name. So what it means, so when we run the penguins data set, we see that there is a bunch of columns here, and there is, for example, this year column. And for some reason, you want to rename it, for example, to be more precise and say that this was the year of the study. So for this occasion, we create a new data set that is penguins GBC, standing, of course, for the penguins Genomics Bootcamp. And we say the study year, so the new column name is equal the year, which is the old column name. So this is used within the rename R function here. So what will happen is that everything will remain the same, and this year column name will be changed to the one that we specified. So it is a really quick process. If we click on this, we see that everything is totally the same. And here we indeed have the study year column name. Of course, you don't need to do columns one by one, and you can do more columns at once. So if we want to change more columns, study year to year, and penguin species needs to be the new column name, which was previously just called species. We can do it in one line. So we run, we click, and we see that basically the two columns are indeed changed. This is this easy. So this is everything from me. Be sure to check out also the other videos from the playlist. And I bid you farewell by thanking you for your time and also wishing a really nice day.